Which AMG beast is the better buy in 2025? The supercharged E55 or the naturally aspirated E63? Car enthusiasts have debated this for years, and it's not just about horsepower. It's about reliability, performance, styling, and value for your money. Whether you're looking for raw, straight-line speed or a more refined driving experience, choosing between these two W211 legends isn't easy. In this video, we'll break it all down to help you make the right call. Let's get started. Styling differences that stand out. While the E55 and E63 share the W211 body, the E63 has a slightly more aggressive facelift. Its bumper, headlights, and taillights are subtly different. Many E55 owners even swap to E63 bumpers for the sharper look. The E63 also includes a trunk lip spoiler, giving it extra sporty appeal. Interior comfort and design. Inside, both cars feel nearly identical, but there are small upgrades in the E63. It gets sleek paddle shifters, a refined SL-inspired steering wheel, and black-faced gauges. The E63's seats have slimmer bolsters and CLS-style design, offering a more modern feel compared to the chunkier seats in the E55. Performance. The E55 is known for its incredible straight-line acceleration, thanks to its supercharged V8 and low-end torque. The E63, however, is more balanced for cornering and track use. It's quicker through bends and feels more precise, delivering a refined and engaging performance like the rival BMW M5. Engine breakdown. The E55 uses a simpler, older-style engine with a single overhead cam and fewer moving parts, easy to maintain and powerful. The E63 features AMG's first in-house engine, a dual overhead cam V8 with variable valve timing. It's more advanced, but also comes with greater complexity and risk. Transmission comparison. The E55 has the durable but slower 7.2 2.6 5-speed transmission. It's strong enough to handle tons of torque, but can feel sluggish. The E63 gets the 722.97 speed, offering faster shifts and better response. It pairs well with the higher revving nature of the E63's naturally aspirated engine. Braking systems. The E55 comes with an SBC brake pump system, which can be expensive to replace if it fails. In contrast, the E63 uses a traditional braking setup, but its two-piece rotors cost more to maintain. Still, the E63 stops better in tests and feels more confident under hard braking. Handling and suspension. Both models use airmatic suspension, which means similar ride comfort and handling. However, both are prone to leaks or failures over time. The E63 benefits from quicker steering and feels more responsive, while the E55 leans more toward cruising comfort and raw power delivery in a straight line. Reliability. The E55's engine is known for its durability with minimal issues, only regular maintenance, and occasional supercharger-related repairs. The E63's engine, however, is more sensitive. Known issues include faulty head bolts and premature wear from camshaft lifter contact, making oil quality and maintenance absolutely crucial to avoid major problems. Ownership costs and parts. On the used market, the E55 is more affordable and parts are generally cheaper, especially for brakes and engine repairs. The E63, being newer and more complex, comes with higher upkeep. Its parts, such as rotors and valve components, can be costly, especially if repairs go beyond routine service. Which should you buy? If you're after raw torque, tuning potential, and savings, go with the E55. But if you prefer a sharper driving experience with newer tech and better handling, the E63 is worth the premium. Your choice depends on budget, goals, and whether you want to mod or keep it stock. In the end, both the E55 and E63 have their strengths. Choose the E55 for power and value, or the E63 for finesse and feel. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about performance.